Want to earn some real money while relaxing on your couch? This is not a joke because there are a lot of apps that pay you real money. But how? In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 10 apps that pay you real money. So stay tuned until the end because the more apps you know, the more you can make out of them. So let's go. The first app that we are going to talk about is HoneyGain. This is the app that will provide you with passive income. And guess what? You don't have to do any work here. What you have to do is simply download this app on your phone, sign up and agree to the terms and policies of the app. Once you are done, close this app. That's it. Now the app will run in the background and this app will check the behavior of ads on your phone and the way you respond to them. The purpose is to make better ads from your response. But if you are cautious that it will collect your personal data, then don't worry, because they have no intention of doing that. The money you receive depends on the time you use your phone and the number of devices you use. So the earnings are enough for groceries at least, or you can also pay for the gas this month. Isn't it cool? The second app that we are going to talk about is ClipClaps. This is the app for lazy people. The people who are in love with TikTok. If you are scrolling down from morning till night and you are not using ClipClaps, then you are mad. Because this app will pay you for scrolling down TikTok videos. So the more time you spend on TikTok, the more money you are going to make. For example, it will pay approximately $5 for spending 1 hour here. You may make more money than that. So next time, sit on the couch, open ClipClap, scroll videos, and earn money. You may buy the whole month's groceries by earning from this app. Here's the third app named UserFeel. This app is really interesting. This is like a job, but a job that pays you more than most hourly jobs. This is basically a testing app where companies pay you for testing their apps and websites. It's like doing some tests on a newly made thing. It might be filling out some surveys, testing some new apps, or finding faults in the websites. Install the app and click on Get Paid to Test. They may pay you $1.10 per hour or maybe $1.30 per hour. You can do 6 tasks a day, and that can make a lot of income in addition to your other sources of income. So if you are consistent with doing tasks on this app, then surely you can make a lot of money. This app also gives you Amazon gift cards. Also, any person of any age can get paid from any part of the world. So I think this app is really cool and can give you the feeling of doing some real work. Because usually in offices there is a separate position and department for testing apps and websites. So why not do that work sitting on your couch from home? The number 4 app that we are going to talk about is Money App. This is the app that pays you for completing certain tasks. These tasks are not like the tasks in other apps, but these are certainly more user-friendly and tasks are amazing like playing games. This can be like testing an app for games where you have to play a certain level of games, and in return, you will get like $5 for playing like 10 levels of a game. So the method of withdrawal of money is also very easy. After completing the levels of games, you get some points or coins. These coins are then converted to real money by the app. After that, you can connect your PayPal to this app's account and then receive the money whenever you want to. So you must be 18 years old for that purpose. So enjoy playing games and earning money by just sitting on the couch. The 5th app is FOAP. This is a very interesting app, guys. It will make you feel like you are doing right work to earn money. This is the app used by various countries around the world. People take pictures of any kind like sceneries, real-life people with some actions to show your creativity. Then companies or people look for certain kinds of pictures, will look in the app and can order your picture, and in return, you can get some dollars. Maybe they like your picture so much that they buy it from you for $5 for a single picture maybe. You can even strat your business out of this app. So why waste the technology? Take your phone and make pictures and sell them. There are also some quests from different companies. They can ask people to make pictures for specific scenarios, like making pictures of clouds or cats, and then if they like yours, you can win the price they are offering. The 6th app is Dosh. Okay, so this app is also a unique idea of making money. You all do the shopping for many things, right? Why not make some money from shopping? But how is that possible? For example, if you buy a shirt for $100, then you pay all the money to the store. But if you buy the same shirt from this app, then they will give you a 10% back in your account. And some brands even give more discounts on the app, like Nike. So why not save your money, even a small amount? It matters a lot for some people. Coming towards the 7th app, Google Opinion Rewards. This app has a lot of reviews on the App Store. You have to fill out some surveys here. Some surveys even take 20 seconds to do. And Google itself says that for a single survey it pays like $1. So if you fill out surveys one after another for an hour, you will get $120. Isn't it cool? But at least you can earn $1.10 per hour, which is average salary of a man. So go and check it out for yourself. The 8th app is Field Agent. Here is another cool app where brands pay you for checking their products in stores. For example, a brand posts a job and you can accept it. They will ask you to make pictures of their product in the store. You might feel it is silly work, but yes, they pay you for doing this kind of work. You can earn from $4 to $15 from these tasks. There are a lot of jobs available on the app, and you can literally avail the opportunity. The next app is the ninth app, is TaskRabbit. This is the best app that you can get on internet because this is not just an app for making money, but it is actually helping out people in their homes and getting paid for the work. For example, you can help them fix things in their homes. There might be a lot of tasks to do for that. It may be cooking, shopping, cleaning, plumbing, or any type of work. Mostly old people are not able to do the houseworks, so they can ask people to do the job. Isn't it amazing? They also pay you well for doing those things. So the 10th app is a mixture of apps. It's the social media. Don't skip this opportunity. If you are on social media for just scrolling, then you are wasting money you can earn each second of spending that time. There are thousands of jobs to do for social media, like being a graphic designer for pages, making short videos and earning money from them, teaching people online, being the administrator of pages, writing content for people, and so on. Social media has no limits on earning money. It's you who has put limits on you for doing certain things. So are you going to make money from these apps? Tell us in the comments section and share your views about them. Thanks for watching.